So, pulse radar formula. Yung time of flight. So, nakikita naman natin yung formula nito. No? R is equal to yung speed of light. Change in yung time of, yung change do sa time of flight, yung delta t. And then, syempre, dahil back and forth siya, kaya divided by 2. So, pag ano siya, kukunin niya yung reading sa environment, no, yung radio waves, and then yung radio waves babalik sa sensor. So, yun ang ibig sabihin. Yung change in t is round trip time. Kaya divided by 2 yan kasi may pabalik. So, syempre involved dito yung speed of light. Sinubukan natin example is 600 nanoseconds or 600 times 10 raised to negative 9 seconds. So, yan. I-multiply mo lang yan, then i-divide mo sa 2. So, lumabas, pag multiply mo yung dalawa, 180 divided by 290. So, yung unit daw nito is in meters. Di ba? So, pulse radar to. Ibig sabihin, ano to ha? Yung pulse yung ginagamit nito. Yung pinaka-common daw sa radar. So, yun lang po.